Hey folks, it's Cal again, and today I am attempting to fix the dreaded clicking sound from under the dash, which comes from, and I need to get my magic pointer called a screwdriver, this box here. You see that? People say it's on top of the ECU. No, it's effectively behind the steering column is where it is. And what I've done is I've plugged back in my AC unit right over there, my climate control head unit, and what I'm going to do is show you the clickies. Alright, let's do you see that arm moving? Oh, let's try another one. You see it moving? Waiting for that bad boy to click. Of course, it's not doing it now. Well, this is the culprit. That guy, MB813593. And we're about to take him apart and show you the innards, even though mine's not clicking. So basically there's a little clip here that you fold down over the thing, and then once you've done that, you can just remove the 3 screws to get it out. They're a little bit hard to get to, but not too bad. And here is the guts of the bad boy. So what you want to do is find any of these circular gears where there's stripped or partially stripped teeth, and basically spin those gears 180 degrees. For those of you curious, it doesn't matter where these gears are, because the positioning control of the arm is controlled by that wiper down there. So you see that big black arc underneath this gear here? Essentially it acts like a resistor of sorts, and it tells the system where the vent position is. So no matter what you do with these gears in the middle, it'll always know how to line itself up. Alright, so you can actually see on mine where it's chewed a tooth off. So all we have to do here is move this gear around so that this gear is no longer facing any of the other gears. So these two. So that's all we have to do. So we're going to make sure that that chewed tooth is around the other side over there and not near the teeth on these gears. Alright, we have it here. So with the arm down here, my finger pushed all this way, that cut out tooth, that broken tooth, must be in that position and only that position. Have a look closely where that cutout is, where the first good tooth there at the top is near that black piece of plastic. Now look what happens when I go all the way around and all the way around again. And the reason I say that is the gear it's going to be touching is on this pin here, and is this type of gear. Where is my camera? See that? So when it goes in there, alright, it needs to make sure, as you can see as it goes all the way around, see that? The broken gear is not touching. Let's go the other way, all the way to the very end, and you'll see the broken gear is in there. See that? Not touching. That's the only position it works in, because the teeth at the bottom here are so thick that even one tooth further around, even one tooth further around this way or one tooth further around that way, and that cutout will start touching this gear, this gear.